1. Webcam. There's no denying that it is a very important component of every virtual summit. Everyone needs a webcam to conduct interviews with speakers. Some people might want to rely on their laptop's webcam. Webcams on laptops usually produce low-quality videos, so keep that in mind. Instead, you should opt for external webcams. They work on all types of computers and provide excellent video quality, even with poor lighting. I recommend Logitech, as they have a range of webcams suitable for all budgets. If you want the best quality, a step up would be to use a DSLR camera or equivalent. However, there's more technical work involved with this method. 2. Microphone. Even if you have the highest quality webcam, it'll make no difference if you're inaudible. There's no way your audience can learn and gain insights if they cannot understand the discussions going on between you and your guests.